girl. Look how you're so pretty, getting all fluffy for mommy. She's over here just loving me, videoing her, getting all pretty for the camera. Aw. You look beautiful, darling. Did you take time to see yourself? Hmm? Say I'm too busy, Mom. I got stuff to do. I got work to do. There's a busy girl. Where'd she go? She's up underneath her wing. Oh, Peepa. Oh, Peepa. Oh, Peepers. I love you so much, you little munchkin. Who's out there? What do you see? Mrs. Einstein. Hi, baby girl. Getting tired on the job. She's waiting for somebody to show up so she can tell you all about your fortune and your good luck today. She likes to bask in her glow so she can recharge all of her magical energy. She will be reading your fortune for now. That'll be your jobs at the circus, princess. You gonna go sleep on the job already? Check out the House of Mirrors with our girl, Miss Furby. Say, welcome to the circus. How may I help you? Say, we'll have fun in the House of Mirrors. Peek-a-boo. Peek-a-boo. Peek. Peek. Lemon dropped the security guard. He's checking it out, make sure the circus is safe for everyone. He does his rounds, and he's very careful to not let any monsters in to the circus. Good job, Lemon drop. Just like the kids, I get your names wrong. It's funny.